My neighbor told me her dog found a raccoon in my basement window well, so I went outside to check it out.
Oh shit. Hello, Raccoon. Hello, Raccoon. What's up, dude?
In Ontario, it is illegal to trap and relocate wildlife unless you are licensed. Don't break the law.
Okay, what should I do? What should I do?
I called the wildlife control company and they will come the next morning. Next morning, the raccoon was gone and the appointment was no longer needed. Time to clean up the window well and do something about it. I went to the local hardware store to buy this 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch welded metal mesh. It is a little bit stronger than the traditional chicken wire. According to the information, these are 19 gauge welded mesh galvanized steel. Hopefully this is strong enough. I had to use a piece of scrap board from my PVC deck project to make the 90 degrees transition. It is pretty straightforward. There are two concerns here. If there is an insane raccoon, it may be able to rip this apart, but time will tell. The other concern is winter. Not sure if the metal mesh can hold the weight of the snow and ice. Maybe I will put a 2x6 or 2x8 on top when next winter comes. I will make another video next spring and let you know. If you think this is helpful, please give it a thumbs up, remember to subscribe, and if you like DIY, remember to check out other videos on my channel. Thanks for watching and bye for now.